Please make sure to disconnect all air and electrical connections from the reamer before performing any maintenance or service. I'm going to show you how to replace the upper and lower limit switches for the spindle. Begin by removing the two screws on the side that hold your terminal strip to the frame. Pull that terminal strip up out of the way, exposing the limit switches below. You can disconnect the pigtails for your valves. They're all marked and correspond with a valve located on this diagram up here. Remove the one screw holding the limit switch assembly to the frame. And pop the limit switch assembly out. Get your new harness and ensure you line up the dowel holes on the back with the dowels on the frame inside. Make sure the actuator is above the switch on the lower limit. Reinstall the retaining screw. Plug your keyed connectors back into the appropriate spots on the circuit board. Reconnect your valves. And reinstall the terminal strip onto the frame.